Once you are logged in to your Canva,
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
you have this kind of a screen happening here, and you can say create a design. And then you can choose out of the designs that you want. And what you want to do is create an infographic. By the way, you can see that I'm using Canva 2.0. There's right now a Canva 1.0. They're upgrading their design. I'm using the design of the future. So if you're watching this in the future, most likely you'll have what I'm seeing. If not, just make sure you're using Canva 1. I'm using Canva 2.0 to show this, but they're very, very similar. In any case, they give you a lot of potential designs you can create. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the infographic because that's what we're creating. Then you get to a page like this, and what happens is you see some are free. See, it says little text here, free. This one is not free. Just to show you an example, if you click on one that's not free and you download, it's going to say it's $3. But if you choose one that is free and you download, it's not going to say $3. You can just download it for free. So what happens is you can just edit the one that is free so that you don't have to pay. But if you like a design that you want to use, then the $3 is pretty negligible and you can use whatever you like. So I'm going to make this a little larger, so you can see, and we can begin editing any part of this. You can see, you can actually start writing your own, like hello. And so what you want to do is fill out your own content. You can click on any of it and just start writing. Delete, like I'm pressing delete, delete, delete. Hello, whoever is watching. So you see, it's just like this. And the idea for this is that you would make it fun and funny and visual, hopefully, and easy for people to browse and look. So don't put too much text. Put most of the meat into the headlines so that people can skim it and can get all the information they need. A nice one is like one like this, where you can have little pictures. They're not the most amazing pictures, but at least it's a start for you, and you kind of can go and browse the different designs. They're all very similar here if you look at the left side panel, but still you can easily create something of your own that looks like you had it professionally done, and you can create more engaging social media posts. You can imagine seeing this in a social media post rather than just text. Of course, you would be more likely to be like, oh, what is this? Like, this is kind of new and unique. So it's going to help you create more engaging social media posts. It's going to help you create more engaging blog posts, and it's going to add rich media to your pages when you use this on your site, because Google will say, wow, like this, you have text and you have these kinds of infographic images. So it's going to give you a lot of benefit in terms of engagement, and in terms of whenever Google has to evaluate your site for SEO algorithmically, this will give you, you have an image on your site, which is also great. So a lot of uses for this, and it's almost all free that you can use, or super cheap. So go ahead, and now you know exactly how to log in, how to use this, and how to create really nice infographics for your site so that you can be more attractive, people can link to you more. All those good things can happen.